Today's featured car of the day is a 1963 Oldsmobile F-85 Jetfire with a turbocharged V8 engine and a 4-speed. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was a beautiful restoration on this car that someone spent a lot of time and money putting it together. And these Jetfires were only actually for 2 years, 1962 and 1963. And the 1962 model being a smaller, different looking one. This was a 1 year only, the 1963 model for Oldsmobile for the F-85 and the Cutlass and the Jetfire. And in 1963, Oldsmobile sold 121,639 cars, and 53,492 were Cutlasses. And the Jetfires, they made 5,842. And out of that, I read somewhere that there's only 16 known to exist yet with the original methanol-injected turbocharged V8 engine in it. It was actually a 215 cubic inch all aluminum V8 engine that GM had made, Oldsmobile, and put out 215 horsepower and 300 foot-pounds of torque. And this one had the 4-speed in it. Like I said, you could get it with the automatic, I guess, but this being basically a one year only model, it was definitely a rare one. And this one was definitely a beauty, that's for sure. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1963 Oldsmobile F-85 Jetfire, turbocharged V8 with a 4-speed, beautiful restoration that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.